Hi everyone, welcome to Melissa's Home Cooking. Do you need some ideas for a quick, easy dinner? Well, today I'm going to show you how to make creamy chicken peanut satay pasta, which is very easy and simple to make with homemade peanut satay sauce, which you can refer to my previous video how to make this peanut satay sauce, and homemade pasta, how to make it as well in the previous videos. So we have here in front of us 1 onion chopped, 3 cloves of garlic minced, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, about 2 cups of my homemade satay peanut sauce. Please refer to the previous video, 1 can of coconut milk, and we have 1 kilo of chicken breast cut into strip, and of course our homemade pasta. If you do not want to make your own homemade pasta, you can use the store-bought dry one as well. Otherwise, please refer to my previous video on how to make your homemade pasta. There's 2 different ways of making them, using the mixer as well as using pan and a bowl, how to do them. And then for garnishing, we have here grated cheese, roasted peanuts, chopped roasted peanuts, minced parsley, and some basil leaves. So let's get started. So make sure you heat up your pot on high, and also the other pot with water. We're going to boil the water for the pasta. So we're going to add in the olive oil, and then the garlic, and the onions, and we're going to stir this until it's slightly brown. Then we're going to add in the chicken. Until the chicken is cooked. So once the chicken is nearly cooked, we can add in the peanut sauce and the coconut cream. I'm just gonna let this boil. In about a 1/4 cup of the water. Just going to cover that and let it boil. So now it's boiled. We're just going to season the satay peanut sauce. Add in about a teaspoon of salt, some pepper, and we're just gonna leave it aside. Gonna taste and see whether we need more seasoning. Perfect. So we're just gonna leave that aside while we cook the pasta. So now the water for the pasta is boiled. We're just gonna put in about a teaspoon of salt, and then we're just gonna cook the pasta. So just put in the pasta. because it's fresh pasta, it doesn't take so long to cook. Just make sure you loosen it. So probably about 3 to 5 minutes. So now the pasta is cooked, we're going to switch off the heat and drain the pasta. Now the pasta is all drained, we're going to add it into the chicken satay sauce. And just going to mix everything in. There we go. So now dinner is ready to be served. So here it is, here's our creamy chicken peanut satay pasta, all ready to serve. So to serve it, we just take some pasta. Just top with some parsley, some basil, cloves, and then some cheese, and some chopped peanuts on top. So here is a very fusion chicken peanut satay pasta. Hope you enjoyed tonight's cooking. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I look forward to see you again next time.